Hey Candy Gang, welcome to another video. Today we're at Chabot Space and Science Center. Let's go. Candy Gang, we're looking at some prototypes.
This was the Mars Smart Lander.
What are those?
Capsules.
What are those? Daddy, what are those?
These are prototypes.
That's the shit. Let's go.
May Jameson, right here. This is another prototype from Star Wars. This is the training suit, Gemini training suit.
Here.
Mercury training suit. This training suit was used in Project Mercury, NASA's first human spaceflight program, 1958 to 1963. So this was the first one they used. This one. Then they used this one later on.
That's the first that they used to go in space with.
In Project Mercury, the training suit for Project Mercury.
Let's
Well, these astronauts didn't leave the spacesuit, right? The spaceship. It says these astronauts did not leave their spacecraft, but needed a pressurized suit in case the cockpit suddenly depressurized. Fortunately, no crew Mercury capsule ever lost pressure.
Daddy?
Yes.
What's that?
This is
Oh, the robot that
Viper
goes around in space and like.
Polar Exploration Rover.
That's cool.
This is a lunar atmosphere dust and environmental explorer. These are two models of the last that launched in 2013 that orbited the moon to study its atmosphere and surface. The smaller model is 3D printed, and the larger is a full-scale structure. And NASA Ames, which produced wind speeds over 1,000 miles per hour faster than the speed of sound. The blades that's inside. This is the fan, and this is the blade.
That's one of the blades.
This is one of the blades right here.
How do they get this up?
This is
Smells
like,
like
this
metal.
is like a heat shield. Heat shields protect vehicles from intense heat when entering a planet's atmosphere. They can only be used once, but a spacecraft can carry a spare with this capsule design. When we go to Mars, one will be used to land on Mars and another when the space is
like
crashed
metal in
back
here.
on Earth. So they can carry multiple shields.
It smells like metal in here. A fish that I'm making right now, you guys can see because I don't feel like turning the camera around.
Moonscape sandbox.
Those are
Get up. Stand up, please.
Simulator. Right here. This is right here.
that's right now.
It's a simulator. They use it for.
That's right now.
And when it's right now, it's showing you what it does. This scale model represents the VMS, the largest flight simulator in the world. The VMS trains future astronauts by simulating complex motions of flight and landing. It's like a flight simulator.
This is like a miniature version. Oh. I'm gonna look at it. I've been here a bunch of times when I was Oh my god! That's super cool.
Right here, look, Mercury.
Big chunks.
Mercury, up there.
That's small.
Venus, right here.
Look
It's
at
like the
tiny
book we have
us.
at home. 16,
Hi, us.
16 miles from the sun. Oh,
Hi us. We're right there.
no, we're gonna get there. And then Earth,
I wonder
right here.
where we are right.
Earth. So we're showing
Right
the
on
distance.
that little
Each
road.
one, look. 1, 2, 3. This is Mars.
Where are we on that?
Mars.
Well, Earth is bigger than Mars. Big chungus. Ah,
Fifth planet from the sun.
chungus. Jupiter is bigger.
One day, look, one day. One Jupiter day equals 9.93 hours. So 9 hours is a day on Jupiter. A year is
What?
4,333 Earth days. The hours.
What about a year?
9 hours is one day. 24 hours is a day. Saturn, 10.7 hours one day. Saturn, right here, see how the size? See how
It's like
bigger?
sideways. That's the universe? That's the universe?
the Falcon 9.
What's a Falcon 9?
SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket.
What is that?
It's a satellite. It says SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket delivers satellites as well as the Dragon spacecraft to orbit. Oh, this is the series, the 7K. Right here, the model. This is the model. Right here. The model.
This even, is that real? That's real? What? This stuff has been in space and then we're looking at it. It's weird to look at for you guys. Oh, it's better. Wait, not really. Oh yeah. Okay, you guys can see it.
Daddy? Daddy, can we look at this?
Go up there, wait for that link. Cube satellite model.
It's a dove cube.
This Dove Cube satellite model, produced by San Francisco-based company Planet, is an example of the next generation of non-satellite used to gather Earth imagery from space. So, yeah.
What is that?
Like a seat, but
You see it? Can you fit in there? No? Let's see. This is the 7K. descent model. This model right here is from Russia. The model on display is a 7K OK Russian Soyuz descent model, the first generation of Soyuz spacecraft in use from 1967 to 1971, acquired by Chabot from Russia. So this actually came from Russia.
That must be uncomfortable.
The United States and Russia was in battle, so you can send somebody up to space.
They were brown? What the heck is that? What the heck? That's a moon rock?
That's a moon rock. Actual moon rock from the moon.
What happens if you touch it?
Sample right here. It's on loan from NASA's Johnson Space Center.
What happens
Great
if you
Scott,
touch it?
the rock from which this sample was cut during the 1971 Apollo 15 mission, was named after Commander David Scott. This is from Russia also right here.
This stuff looks uncomfortable.
Look at
They look like boots that you will wear out to eat or something.
No. Silly. Can't be done. Look at Mars. Mars is pretty cool. I'm gonna move up here. Where are they?
He's gonna move up there.
I am.
I'm gonna move right here. Right there. Where that is.
It's hurting my
Put on your glasses, can't be done.
John Cena.
That's cool.
It's hitting my eyes just by looking at it without.
What are you looking at?
I'm trying to touch it.
What are you looking at?
I'm looking at
But what is it?
Mars.
Let me
What? KB gang, we're looking at planet Mars in 3D.
Hey, they're literally touching me.
You gotta block the light. You have to try to block the light right here. Block it. Stand right here on this foot.
You guys stand right there. That won't work.
Revealed by shadow. Block the light to reveal hidden scenes. Did you ever wonder why you don't see stars in the daytime? They are hidden by the sunlit sky, obscured by the sun's bright light. So you have to stand there. Right here, waves in the water behave like light waves. Experiment with waves. Focus your attention on the light surfaces on the floor.
Can I sit down?
Buddies. Come on.
What is this? What's it say? What does it say? Move objects to see how they change.
Wait, I know.
Read in Spanish.
I think you have to do like
So, come on.
this. What's a robot?
It's polarized light.
19, 18, 17, 16, 15.
Jump. Faith, put your feet over there. I'll take it. When you do something, you ready? You gonna jump or jump? Get out there.
That's cool.
That's better than here. Well, I'm gonna take my
That hurt my eye.
Here.
I was floating. I float in space. Wait, what is that?
No, but it's put a dog in space. It's currently 2 dog cabin. The first animal to orbit Earth was a dog named Lisa. She was launched in 1957. 1957.
That's crazy.
Right here.
They want dogs.
The little bed right here.
How big does it get scale?
Oh look, sadly, it was a one-way trip intended to study the effects of space on future human astronauts. And Lincoln died.
We are now seating for our next planetarium show. The doors will close on the posted show time.
Wait, what?
The dog died.
The dog died in space? At least they got to launch it.
Well, they used the animal to see what would happen to humans. So they tested the animal first.
Poor animals.
It's one of the fun parts for me is building it, you know. Because you're trying to get the fit. So the different sizes.
You too.
My arm hurts now. Go up or stay?
Fly me to the moon. Wow, look at this.
Wow.
363 feet.
Buddy.
Saturn
buddy.
V. This is United States built this one, the Saturn V. And look, look at the Statue of Liberty is 152 feet, and the Giraffe is 17 to 19 feet. This weighs 3,000 tons. Statue of Liberty weighs 225 tons, and then 1 to 2 tons for a giraffe right here. The Saturn V had 13 launches from 1967 to 1973. And then the first manned mission was December 12th, 1968. And And right here, this is Apollo 8 into lunar orbit. So this rocket helped lift the
It
rocket.
could carry the Statue of Liberty?
Well, heck yeah. Last mission was 1972. Right here. Look down right here. Look, buddy.
10 times bigger. 7B, yeah.
One giant leap of Moon Odyssey. In July
They
1969,
look
the
like-
first astronaut walked on the moon as half a billion people watched on TV. It was an awesome moment in space exploration and in human history.
I should have been alive then.
They're still on the moon. My teacher told me.
Yeah.
Mommy's is.
You have to pay attention to what you're filming. Like,
Let me film.
yeah.
Yo.
Actually, hold it. Hold it tight. Don't drop it.
Let's go.
I'm getting you. Daddy, I'm getting you, Daddy, also. Hi. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. Tyler. Tyler.
Oh gosh, this thing is 11 a.m. Why does it say OOP? Oops, I accidentally said it.
What is this?
This is like a robot, and then you could see on the camera, robot meet and then you go to the robot.
Thank you.
The color magic makes your train car levitate. Try different ways to build a faster train. Magnets electric train.
Buddies went whoosh.
I said I like things upside down. I'm the upside down. That's why my phone comes the upside down dude.
Guess what? He's an upside down dude. That's what his friends call.
So now this section cleared up. Might be able to see it's also here.
You guys want to make some bubbles? CO2 bubbles?
it goes straight from solid to gas. You can see the gas is coming off, that's carbon dioxide. And basically what we're doing is we're putting the dry ice into hot water, and it's going straight into the gaseous form, and we're putting it in dish soap to make bubbles with CO2 inside. So if you want to pop the bubbles or hold the bubbles.
You want to try it? Go for it. Wait for him to get done.
That's a big one, Victor. Nice one.
Can we let the 2 other girls try it? Just like get your hands in and just get it all over.
Lift your sleeve up.
Oh, try to get like the basic top. Yeah.
How does it feel?
Does it feel smaller? Does it feel kind of dry?
How to pop it? Buddy, you want to try it?
Eat a little bit.
Lift your sleeve up, man.
And if you need paper towels.
Lift your sleeve all the way up. You have to wet the whole palm. All the way. Try it.
We'll get one last one and see if just dip your palm in. And then turn it up.
Oh, how does it feel, buddy, man?
I think we should.
KBG, look at this cool telescope. It's weird and cool at the same time.
It's not weird. It's cool.
It's like sideways. To me, it's weird.
Why is it weird?
Because like the top, then the bottom,
That doesn't
and
make
then the middle, it looks weird.
To me,
It's a weird shape?
It's a weird shape, yeah.
Oh, okay.
To me, it's weird.
It's not a weird shape. It's a
Because they
typical
have
telescope style.
Let's go.
Recognize this pattern of stars? Try this. Look through the brass ring at the large orange balls, which represent a pattern of stars. See anything you recognize? The model and the clear tubes show what's going on. So you have to look here. Do you see a pattern you recognize? Maybe, yes or no?
No.
What about you? A pattern you recognize? Let's see if...
I don't see. I see a KBG. You take a look. You guys recognize anything?
Let me see if I see. You have to look at this. It'll show you.
I don't understand.
That one makes me a pattern, but
It's like the
Planets?
planets.
it kind of
Oh yeah.
It's
Like,
Guys,
it's
take a look.
all 7 of them.
Yeah.
it reminds me.
Look at it again. It's like the planets. Tradisimo. KBG, we had so much fun at the Chabot Space and Science Center, but make sure to like and subscribe
And hit that Taco Bell. It's cold out here.